today I've got a Target beauty box. This one went on sale really early this month, so kind of early. It sold out apparently really quickly because it's not up anymore. You open it up and it has a little card that says "Hello Summer Stunner," and everything's packaged in there. It doesn't give you the price, but it tells you what's all in here, and it says we may be heading into the final full month of summer. Sigh. But that doesn't mean we can't soak up every last bit of the season. Inside this box you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you hold on to your summer kiss glow and bombshell beach waves for just a little while longer. And I did get a $3 coupon off of a beauty purchase of $15 or more. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, and the lid was a little loose and got some lotion everywhere, is this Eden Body Works Skin Body Lotion Coconut Shea and Vitamin E Smooth and Hydrate Lotion. And the full size of this, I want to say, is $8.99, so $9 or something like that. Yeah, but it smells really good, so I'll probably take that to work as a hand lotion because I do better with little lotions at work. Next thing in here is a travel size, a 2 ounce of the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray. Infused with sea salt. Ow, it actually has salt in it. Okay, aloe and sea kelp. And it's supposed to be in the scent Tropical Banana. Beach Babe is infused with sea salt and sea kelp for texture, separation, and body. Aloe extract protects the hair against dryness, soothes hair from sun exposure, and hydrates to restore softness. This soft wave spray was made for the sexy, tousled look you love with the fullness, shine, and healthy warmth. Vacation. Mist generously onto damp or dry hair. Scrunch and style with fingertips to create soft waves and texture. Air dry naturally or use a diffuser for added body. Now it doesn't say shake or anything, and it's apparently an Allure Best of Beauty. This is like $6.84 at Target. Oh, we're gonna. I don't tend to use wave spray. I guess it kind of smells like tropical banana. Doing anything to my hair, but we'll see. Next thing I have in here is from Acure, and this is like $16 full size. This is 1 ounce. The full size is like a 6 ounce, or no, it's 1.7 ounce, but it's expensive. This is a brilliantly brightening day cream. Let's see, combo of COQ10, Gotu Cola, and argan oil helps fight dullness and even out skin tone for a brighter, more beautiful complexion. This might be okay if that argan oil, yeah, it's towards the bottom, the argan oil is. I wonder if it has like it says brightening, so I wonder if it, oh, and it is sealed. It has like any kind of like SPF in it or anything. A white little cream. Ooh. I mean, it smells like oranges. Like, yeah. It's a real brightening, but at least it smells good. I don't think you have to use that. This is from Bliss, and it's Fab Bombing 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator with bamboo buffers. It's just a little thing. Used with gentle flower botanicals and natural ingredients, relieves dryness and soothes skin. Ooh, it smells good. Fruity, like a nice fruit. I'm cool with that. This full size is like $8, $9, something like that. And I get a sample pack of 7 wipes from the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Kindness Skin Cleansing Wrap Wipes. It's supposed to remove waterproof mascara. This is an Allure Beauty thing too. It has a beauty reward. I have the eye wipes. The eye wipes work pretty good. They do not remove L'Oreal waterproof mascara because you know that takes turpentine, but they do pretty good anyway. So that works. And the last thing in this box, so far we have 5 samples and 1 full size thing. Might even be like a true full size because I'm guessing a full size would have like an extra thing. But this is the Chic Intuition Fab. Oh, it says it's a sample, but just have 1 blade on it. This is the weirdest thing ever. Okay, It looks like a normal razor. You look up close, okay, you see like two separate. The one I have from Pure Silk actually has like 3 on top, 3 on bottom, and they're separated for some reason, but they all go in one direction. These do not. Like part of these go down and part of them go up. Like they're face different because they want you to do that motion. Like back up and down. I'm like, who shaves like that? Who has time to shave like that? You could have saved yourself the trouble and just put 5 blades together in the same direction. Nobody's gonna shave like this. We shave like once. I'm like, so I don't know about this one, but it's the thought that counts, so, or something like that, I don't know. But anyway, this was $7 with and then tax on top of it, so pretty decent little sample box. Not the best, like not the awesome ones they had for $7, like at around Christmas time that I got. Those are pretty awesome. So anyway, thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Toodles.